Make your block letters pop, a comprehensive guide.
Hello and welcome to this comprehensive guide on enhancing your block letters. If you've ever wondered how to make your block letters stand out, you've come to the right place. Whether you're working on a poster, a banner, or a personal project, these tips will surely make your block letters grab attention.
What are block letters?
Before diving into our tips, let's quickly go over what block letters are. Block letters, also known as print script, are written with each letter standing individually, without any joining. These letters are often bold and large, making them perfect for visibility in various design aspects.
Choose the right color.
The first tip in making your block letters stand out is choosing the right color. The color of your letters can greatly affect how they are perceived. If you're working on a light background, go for dark or vibrant colors, and if your background is dark, choose light or bright colors. Remember, contrast is key.
Play with the outline.
Adding an outline to your block letters can drastically improve their visibility. A bold, contrasting outline can help the letters stand out, especially if the background is busy or cluttered. You can also experiment with different outline thicknesses and colors.
Use 3D effects.
Adding some 3D effects can give your block letters a more dynamic look. This can be done by adding shadows, beveling the edges, or using gradient fills. 3D effects create an illusion of depth that can make your block letters appear more vibrant and captivating.
Experiment with patterns and textures.
Patterns and textures can make your block letters more interesting. You can fill your letters with patterns or textures instead of a solid color. This adds a unique touch and makes your letters more noticeable. The key here is to experiment and find out what works best for your design. And that wraps up our guide on making your block letters stand out. By implementing these tips, you can create letters that are not only easy to read but also incredibly engaging. Remember, the most important thing is to be creative and have fun with your designs. Happy designing!